Hello guys, what is going on? MGP Ryan here. I might be putting an intro in. It's just give me some time, bro. I haven't got my laptop. Jesus, I haven't got a laptop anymore. Anyway, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this. This is kind of Formula One. Then what is that? Yes, bad time, but basically all you have to do is go. I just go but go no. You can go really low. Basically, put your top teeth on here. Go just go no. Like that sounds wrong, but just go. Don't know how that sounds wrong, but anyway, just go no. Then you can start. As you can see, my nose kind of goes a bit like that. I'm gonna be doing some other voice tutorials or something, beatboxing. I'm not very good at beatboxing, but you know. Anyway, so after that, you could just make some sounds up in beatboxing as well. You go. I don't know what you can use it for. You can go. Hey. Oh, I'm not even doing it right. But anyway, it's just a really short, awkward video for you guys. So, it's not awkward, but just kind of a thing. Yeah. That's my nan's wall. Great. Peace out. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Have a nice day.